In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and search for Meta Business Suite. Click the official result that takes you to Meta's Business Tools Hub. If you're new to the platform, select Create Account. You'll log in with your personal Facebook credentials, then follow the prompts to enter your business details. This sets up the workspace that connects your brand across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Once you're in, head to Settings. Here, open the Accounts section to connect your Facebook page, your Instagram account, and your WhatsApp business profile. Linking these now ensures you can manage content and messages from one place and get unified performance reporting. Next, go to Content. This is your library and creation area. Choose Create Post or Create Reel, upload your media, write a clear caption, add hashtags if they're part of your strategy, and select where you want the content to appear, Facebook, Instagram, or both at once for efficient cross-posting. If you don't want to publish immediately, toggle the schedule option. Use the Active Times tool to see when your audience is typically online and pick a time window that aligns with peak activity. This simple change can noticeably improve reach and engagement without extra effort. When something performs well, you can boost it directly from the suite to reach a wider audience. Boosting is a quick way to expand visibility for proven content. For planning, open the Planner tab. Use the calendar view to drag and drop posts and visualize your content mix over the month. This makes it easy to balance formats, themes, and platforms at a glance. Now open Inbox. This centralizes all interactions so you never miss a lead. You can view and reply to Messenger, Instagram Direct, and WhatsApp messages in a single window. In Inbox, automations, set up instant replies or away messages to handle common questions, like business hours or FAQs, so people get timely responses even when you're not online. Head to Insights for real-time performance data. Monitor metrics such as reach, engagement, and follower growth across both platforms. Analyze trends to see which formats, like Reels versus standard posts, resonate most. While advanced campaigns are best handled in Ads Manager, the suite supports quick promotions when you need them. You can also boost high-performing organic posts again from relevant views. Finally, use the Ads tab to create simple campaigns with clear goals, such as getting more messages or driving more website visitors, and publish when you're ready.